Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the centerpieces ideas for the Merry Christmas decoration. You know the Merry Christmas decoration is compulsory, and watch the video to like the video and to share the video with your family and friends. Merry Christmas decoration is very important and everyone waiting for the best decoration. Candle holders and candle ideas look so amazing, look so fantastic. So guys, I am back the another beautiful designs of the Merry Christmas decoration. Watch, like and share with your family and friends. Don't go, stay with me with the easy craft videos, most trendiest videos, most trendiest ideas for the crafting and the decoration of the Merry Christmas. Watch, like and share. Keep watching, stay with me with the easy craft videos.